guys, well today I'm taking you on a journey which is going to be the first vlog of how I get fit, how I keep myself fit. First I'm going to go for a run, and then we're going to go to the park, and then we do some muscle up, straight bar dips, we do some dips, and we work the abs. Okay, see you on the run, guys. One's gotta keep fit on it. Yeah, mate. Sorry, we camera running all over the place. But we gotta get fit, bruv. Let's do this. I'm running with my back sack on, so it's a bit uncomfortable. But we gotta do the same. We gotta keep fit, bruv. Going through the woods now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Yes guys, we're back here at the park. We're going to do some muscle up. I can't remember what all I said I was going to do. Muscle up, maybe straight bar dips, ab works and some dips, yeah? Let's do it. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't expect these muscle ups going to be perfect, like good form, because I'm tired, so, okay? Let's do it. Guys, for a quicker result, right? Affect it, yeah? With this. Nah. Lean back. Nah. Over.
Yeah. Damn. Wow. Guys, I'm going to end the video here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Yeah? Look after yourself. One love.